First check whether it is homogeneous or not. Here degree is 2. Here degree is 2. Here total degree of term is 2. Here degree is 2. Okay, so it's a homogeneous differential equation. So if the given differential equation is homogeneous, what is the substitution? Which is homogeneous differential equation. Therefore, we'll substitute y equals to vx. Okay, this is the original equation given. This substitution we are doing, and if we are changing the y variable with vx, we have to change dy upon dx. So dy upon dx equals to first into derivative of x with respect to x 1 plus x into derivative of v with respect to x dv upon dx. Okay, so from 1, 2 and 3 substitute these two values in equation 1. Therefore we'll get here x square, this term replaced by this v plus x dv upon dx equals to x square plus x, y term replaced by vx plus y square, so vx square. Okay, therefore x square v plus x dv upon dx equals to x square plus vx square plus v square x square. Just simplification. From here which term is common? X square. So x square will take common, remaining term 1 plus v square. Left hand side as it is, x square in bracket v plus x dv upon dx. Okay, so see here on both the sides of equality x square term is same with multiplication, so they get cancelled. So rest of the terms v plus x dv upon dx equals to 1 plus v square. Again on both the sides of equality which term is same? V. Okay, so these two terms get cancelled. Otherwise हे समजत नसेल, when we shift this v on RHS, so v plus minus get cancelled. Remaining terms x dv upon dx equals to 1 plus v square. Now after this step we can separate the variables. Therefore 1 upon 1 plus v square into dv equals to this dx shift here, dx upon x. So left hand side completely in the form of v, right hand side completely in the form of x. So integrate. If once we separated the variables, next step is integrating. Integrate 1 upon 1 plus v square dv equals to integration 1 upon x dx. 1 upon 1 plus v square. What is the integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx? Tan inverse of x. Isn't it? So instead of x only v term is there. So it is tan inverse of v. Therefore we'll get here the term. Therefore tan inverse of v equals to 1 upon x integration is log x plus c. आता इथं लेफ्ट हँड साइड लॉग मध्ये नाहीये, त्यामुळे आपण कॉन्स्टंट नॉर्मल c घेणार आहोत, लॉग c नाही. ओके, देयरफॉर लास्ट स्टेप इज व्हॉट? रिसब्स्टिट्यूशन. tan इनवर्स ऑफ v चं रिसब्स्टिट्यूशन करा, y upon x equals to log x plus c. Okay, so here we get the required solution of given differential equation in original variables. Okay, त्यामुळे लास्ट स्टेप नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायची, आपण सबस्टिट्यूशन ही सगळी प्रोसेस केलेली आहे. सो लास्ट स्टेप शुड बी रिसब्स्टिट्यूशन. Understood here? So here given differential equation, it's a homogeneous, so we'll do here the substitution, simplify. Okay, here we'll separate the variables. If once this variable separated, next step is integrate. Apply the formula of integration and find out the answer. Okay. Now see the next example. Example number 13. Example number 13 here. 9x plus 5y. 9x plus 5y into dy plus 15x plus 11y dx equals to 0. Okay, this is the given differential equation. First check whether it is homogeneous or not. Yes, it is homogeneous. Its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. This degree 1. This degree 1. डिग्री आपण फक्त व्हेरिएबल्सची चेक करतो. हे व्हेरिएबल्स नाही आहेत. इट्स अ डिफरन्शिएटिंग टर्म. ओके, त्यामुळे आपण डिग्री ही फक्त व्हेरिएबल्सची चेक करतो, दॅट इज टर्म्सची. आणि हे आत मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर कंप्लीट टर्म होऊन जाते. ओके, सो 1 डिग्री आहे. सो इट इज अ होमोजेनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. ओके, therefore write it in proper form so that we'll do the substitution for dy upon dx. So 9x plus 5y dy will shift this term on RHS. So minus 15x plus 11y, okay, into dx. Therefore 9x plus 5y dy upon dx, this term will shift here, minus 15x minus 11y. Okay, now what we are going to do? Substitution. Put y equals to vx, equation number 2. This is 1. Okay, therefore dy upon dx equals to, first into derivative of x with respect to x is 1 into x into dv upon dx, equation number 3. Okay, so substitute these two terms in 1. 9x plus 5. Instead of y, which term we have to substitute? Vx. dy upon dx term replaced by v plus x dv upon dx. Okay, equals to this term minus 15x minus 11 vx. Okay, therefore from here which term is common? X. From here which term is common? X. On both the sides of equality, which term is same? X. So get cancel. So remaining terms liha, 9 plus 5v, v plus x dv upon dx equals to minus 15 minus 11v. That's it. Isn't it? So check here. इथून x कॉमन निघतोय, तो बाहेर काढला. इथं मल्टिप्लिकेशनलाच आहे टर्म. इथून x कॉमन निघतोय, तो बाहेर काढला. जो कॉमन x आहे that we will cancel. Okay, so I will shift this term here. Okay, otherwise you multiply here then shift it, no problem, but it will be easy if we shift this term here. And the double multiplication येईल, परत तुम्हाला ते सॉर्टिंग करावं लागेल. So better way, shift this term here. So what we will get? Just see which term we will get here. V plus x dv upon dx equals to minus 15 minus 11v upon 9 plus 5v. Okay, this term I will shift here, it becomes in denominator. Okay, now I will shift this v here. कारण की आता व्हेरिएबल सेपरेट नाही होत आहे. v आणि हे विथ ऍडिशन आहे, we couldn't separate them. Therefore I will shift this v here. X dv upon dx equals to minus 15 minus 11v upon 9 plus 5v minus v. Okay, done here. Therefore x dv upon dx equals to, cross multiply, minus 15 minus 11v minus 9v minus 5v square. Isn't it? Because of this minus sign, internal sign get changed, and v multiply by 9, 9v, v multiply by 5v, 5v square divided by 9 plus 5v. Example थोडंसं आन्सर लेंदी आहे, पण सिस्टमॅटिक केलं तर तुम्हाला आन्सर डेफिनेटली मिळतं. ओके, which is equals to minus 15, no common term to simplify. minus 11, minus 9, how much it is? Minus 20v. Okay, minus 5v square divided by 9 plus 5v. Which term we can take common here? Minus 5. Isn't it? So, remaining term v square plus 4v plus 3 divided by 9 plus 5v, and left hand side we have x dv upon dx. Now check here, if we shift this term on LHS and x and dx on RHS, we separated the variables. Okay, therefore what we will get? 9 plus 5v upon v square plus 4v plus 3 dv equals to minus 5 dx upon x. This dx here in numerator and this x on denominator. Okay, so here we separated variables, left hand side completely in v, right hand side completely in x. So integrate 9 plus 5v upon v square plus 4v plus 3 dv equals to minus 5, constant will take out, 1 upon x dx. Okay, याचं तर इंटिग्रेशन तुम्हाला काढता येतं. But what about this? This part already we studied in integration chapter. Either write down numerator in the form of denominator, otherwise one more method we know, partial fractions. ह्याचे जर फॅक्टर्स पडत असतील तर partial fraction तुम्ही यूज करू शकता. ओके, सो आय विल टेक दिस टर्म सेपरेट. ह्याला इक्वेशन नंबर 4 कन्सिडर करते. ओके, सो याचं पहिला आपण सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करून घेऊया आणि मग इंटिग्रेशन फाइंड आउट करूया. I will separate this integration. 9 plus 5v v square plus 4v plus 3 dv. Okay, it's a quadratic equation, isn't it? What are the factors of 3? So that total will get 4 and the multiplication will get 3. 3 into 1. So we'll get here the factors. 9 plus 5v, v plus 3, v plus 1 dv. Isn't it? And if in denominator partial terms or factors are there, linear factors are there, then we can solve that example by partial fraction method that we already studied in integration chapter. Okay, so therefore by partial fraction method, by partial fraction method, 9 plus 5v upon v plus 3 into v plus 1 equals to, how to separate them partially? A divided by first linear factor plus b divided by second linear factor. Then so cross multiply so that this denominator will be same like this. It get cancelled. 9 plus 5v equals to, this multiply here, so a v plus 1, this multiply here, b v plus 3. आणि इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर डिनॉमिनेटर काय येईल तुमचं कॉमन? v plus 3 into v plus 1. So that term cancel with left hand side. Okay, therefore now we are going to find out the value of a and b. Okay, जर आपल्याला a आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली तर ही कंप्लीट टर्म आपण रिप्लेस कशाने करणार? या टर्मने. And after that it is very simple to find out the integration. Okay, so therefore to make this term 0, okay, ही टर्म मला 0 करायची जेणेकरून a ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करता येईल. So what will be the value of v so that this term should be 0? b काय व्हॅल्यू आहे माहिती नाही, त्यामुळे आपण डायरेक्टली त्याला 0 घेऊ शकत नाही. ओके, सो v ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जर -3 घेतली तर ही टर्म काय होते तुमचं? 0, आणि 0 into any number 0. ओके, सो we'll put here v equals to -3. So this equation becomes 9 plus 5 into -3 equals to a -3 plus 1 plus b -3 plus 3. Okay, therefore 9 5 into -3 -15 equals to a -3 plus 1 minus 2 plus b into 0. Isn't it? 9 minus 15, how much it is? Minus 6. Okay. A minus 2 plus 0. Therefore, minus 6 equals to minus 2a. Therefore, a equals to this minus minus plus. And 6 upon 2 is 3. Okay. Similarly, now if I want to find out the value of b, this term should be 0. When it will be 0? When b value minus 1. v plus 1 ही टर्म 0 झाली की ही टर्म 0 होते. म्हणजेच काय b ची व्हॅल्यू तुमची काय असायला पाहिजे? -1. Okay. So therefore, now we'll put here only I will write that term. Okay. b value -1. Okay. Then a ची व्हॅल्यू मी इथे लिहून ठेवते 3. -1, -1, -1. Okay, therefore 9 minus 5 equals to a into 0 plus b into -1 plus 3, 2. 9 minus 5, how much it is? 4. a into 0, 0 plus 2b. Therefore 4 equals to 2b. Therefore b equals to how much then? 2. 4 divided by 2, how much it is? 2. Therefore a value will get 3 and b value will get 2. Okay. Therefore this term becomes so this term becomes 3 upon v plus 3, 2 upon v plus 1. So that this partial fraction term will replaced by 3 upon v plus 3 plus 2 upon v plus 1. So equation 4 becomes, now write down equation 4. Equation 4 becomes, okay, integration 3 upon v plus 3 plus 2 upon v plus 1 into dv. This term replaced here. Okay, equals to right hand side as it is. -5 integration 1 upon x. Okay, therefore separate here the integration. 3 constant term 1 upon v plus 3 dv plus 2 constant term integration 1 upon v plus 1 dv minus 5 integration 1 upon x dx. Okay, so at a time again integration घ्या आता. Therefore 3 1 upon integration linear term आहे, so 1 upon चे integration काय येतं? log v plus 3 2 log v plus 1 equals to -5 log x. So somewhere this term will get changed. That's why we are taking here constant of integration as c1. Okay, आणि सगळीकडे log असल्यामुळे आपण constant पण काय घेतलाय? log. Okay, therefore this term log of v plus 3 raised to 3 plus log of v plus 1 raised to 2 equals to this term minus log of x raised to 5 plus log of 7. Okay, otherwise तुम्हाला जिथं वाटेल की तो चेंज होतोय तिथं तुम्ही केलं तरी चालेल. Otherwise keep this term right now as it is. Okay, therefore log addition means term multiplication. So log of v plus 3 bracket raised to 3 into v plus 1 bracket square. Okay, this minus log I will shift here plus log of x raised to 5 equals to log c. Okay, therefore again log addition, terms multiplication, log of v plus 3 bracket cube into v plus 1 bracket square into x raised to 5 equals to log c. Okay, on both the sides of equality logarithmic term is there. Therefore, log get removed and we'll get here v plus 3 bracket cube, v plus 1 bracket square, x raised to 5 equals to c. Okay, so therefore, resubstitute the terms here. V term is y upon x bracket cube, y upon x plus 1 bracket square, x raised to 5 equals to c. Okay, cross multiply y plus 3x bracket cube and हे किती येणार x cube. Okay, into y plus x bracket square divided by हे total किती येणार x square into x raised to 5x bracket cube divided by x cube total into y plus x cross multiplication bracket square divided by x square into x raised to 5 equals to c. X raised to 3, x raised to 2 total is x raised to 5, cancel with this x raised to 5. Okay, therefore we'll get here 3x plus y bracket cube x plus y bracket square equals to c. So this is your required solution for the given differential equation. Understood here? So here we finish answer for this differential equation. Simple. It's थोडं lengthy आहे पण systematic आहे. No complications are there. And the last example from this exercise, example number 15. Example number 15 is x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy dy equals to 0. Okay, we have to solve this differential equation. Write it in proper form first. So x square plus y square into dx equals to 2xy dy. I will shift it on other side. Therefore 2xy dy upon dx, okay, equals to x square plus y square. Done here. So otherwise shift it here, otherwise keep it as it is and solve. Okay, now it's a homogeneous. This degree is 2, here degree is 2, here degree is 2. So it's a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Okay, therefore we'll do here the substitution. Y equals to Vx. Okay, and therefore dy upon dx replaced by v plus x dv upon dx. Almost सगळ्याच एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण हे यूज केलंय. तुमच्या आता लक्षात राहिलं असेल. Okay, therefore put these 2 and 3 equations in equation number 1. So from 1 to 3 we'll get 2x, y term replaced by vx, dy upon dx term replaced by v plus x dv upon dx equals to x square plus y term replaced by vx square. Okay, simplify 2v x square v plus x dv upon dx equals to x square plus v square x square. Split up केलं square चा. Okay, from right hand side which term is common? Here 2vx square v plus x dv upon dx is same. From RHS we'll take x square common, remaining term 1 plus v square. So x square get cancelled. Take 2v here. So 2v square plus 2vx dv upon dx equals to 1 plus v square. Therefore, shift it here. 2vx dv upon dx equals to 1 plus v square minus 2v square. Okay. So 2vx dv upon dx equals to v square minus 2v square minus v square. Okay. So therefore, now we can separate the variables. Separate it. 2v here as it is. This one minus v square, will shift it on LHS, equals to dx upon x. Now left hand side is completely in v and right hand side completely in x. So integrate 2v 1 minus v square dv equals to 1 upon x dx. Now left hand side integration, 1 derivative 0 minus v square derivative 2v. फक्त इथं आपण मायनस ऍडजस्ट केला की डिनॉमिनेटरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हे काय मिळते तुम्हाला न्यूमरेटरला. जर एखादी टर्म ऍब्सेंट असेल तर ती काय करायची तुम्ही ऍडजस्ट, अदरवाइज आन्सर मध्ये लिहायची. ओके. सो हे टर्मचा आन्सर काय येणार, मायनस आपण एक्स्ट्रा ऍडजस्ट केलाय. सो डिनॉमिनेटर्स डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इन न्यूमरेटर. सो व्हॉट इज इट्स इंटिग्रेशन, log of that denominator. Okay, equals to log x plus c. Log x plus c. So simplify. Okay, this term log of 1 minus v square. This minus sign I will shift it here. And one more thing, on both the sides of equality logarithmic term is there, so constant also will take in logarithmic form. Okay, so to keep this term simplified, we'll shift this minus side on RHS. So equals to minus log x minus log c. Then therefore log of 1 minus v square, this minus log I will shift it in LHS. So plus log x equals to minus log c. Okay. Therefore log addition means term multiplication. Okay. Which is equals to, this term we can write it as exponential of c raised to minus 1. Therefore log of 1 minus v square into x equals to log of 1 upon c. ओके. आता इथं आपल्याला दिसतंय की कॉन्स्टंट काहीतरी वेगळा येतोय, नुसतं सिंगल सी येत नाहीये. सो आपण इथं घेत असताना याला c1 घ्या, म्हणजे लास्टचा आन्सर लिहिताना फक्त तुम्ही कॉन्स्टंट ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन विल राइट इट ॲज c. ओके. सो ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ इक्वालिटी logarithmic term is there with the same base, so it's get removed. Therefore we'll get here 1 minus v square into x equals to 1 upon c1. Okay, so I will take this constant as c. Therefore 1 minus, resubstitute here, y square upon x square. Substitution काय केली होती आपण, y equals to vx, isn't it? Therefore v equals to what, y upon x, त्याचा square केला, y square upon x square into x equals to c, as c is my 1 upon c1. Okay, so त्याला आपण another constant notation दिलेले. Okay, so make it simple. X square minus y square upon x square into x equals to c. 1 of x cancel with here, so rest of the terms. Remaining terms will get here x square minus y square upon x equals to c, that is x square minus y square equals to cx. This x I will shift it on RHS. Okay, so this is your required solution. Understood here? So the required solution for the given differential equation is x square minus y square equals to cx. Okay, so here we finish the exercise which is dependent on homogeneous differential equation. So remaining examples from the same exercise try at home as a homework, and in case of any query just mention it in comments, otherwise mail me that question. Okay, so today we'll stop here. Remaining part will take in next lecture. Thank you.